Okay, again, just gonna chat about okay, we get anaerobic alactic power and then alactic power endurance. Because the power endurance, we're just trying to extend out the our ability to push really, really hard, and that's anything from from probably between 10 to 15 seconds, also depending on a client's ability. And then you want to experiment, well, not experiment, but you actually want to progress through how many sets we do and how much recovery we get in, manipulating the recovery time. And that's how we progress and get the body used to that sort of power output. When we start moving into anaerobic lactic power, now we're talking about 30 seconds, in that range of 30 seconds. So going really hard in a cyclical movement, for example, like a sprint or an assault bike or something like that, you can start to recognize that there's some lactic acid buildup in the muscles now, and that starts to get a little bit uncomfortable. And so basically, we're going through the progressions. We're going 10 seconds, we're going 15 seconds, and now we're into that zone of 30 seconds. Very important here for coaches to understand that the rest, there needs to be a lot of rest in between so that there is the ability to express fully. As soon as there's a drop off, that's where you know, okay, that's what the client's able to do. And just meeting them where they're at. I mean, you don't want to give them like 30 sets or 30 sets of 30-second sprints with 5 minutes rest in between. That 30 sets is quite a bit of work to do. So start them off with 2 or 3, and then progress it through the training cycles that way.